Where am I? On, there's signs and stuff. Coffee, coffee. Japanese, I think. Yeah, Japanese. Yeah, it's just those 3 signs. Well, 4 signs. Wait a second. The creature. It's that creature that's been following me. Yeah, it's just the 4 same signs on each side, but the creature. There it is again, that weird creature. I don't even know what to describe it as, but it's been following me. This is like the 3rd time I've seen it. The first time was in that weird space in between. The second time was in the Halo universe at that 4 gas mine. Now this is like the 3rd time I've seen it. Odd. But yeah, those signs just repeat. Hello. Oh, I recognize where I am now. I think I'm in Spirit Away. I'm in a stupid. I am. Can't speak. Sorry, ghost friend. Studio Ghibli film. Hi there, friend. You're quiet from what I remember. It's been a while since I've watched the movie. I should rewatch that. But yeah, doesn't seem like there's much else to this place, so I'm gonna say goodbye, friend. Just the same, like 4 signs again and again. Strange creature that's been following me somehow across the multiverse. And yeah, maybe my problems aren't solved. I don't know. Is the creature friendly or not? I don't know yet. But I guess I'm gonna get out of here. Yeah, time to get out of here.